This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on your GMC Sierra. First, try a quick reset. With your vehicle in park and off, turn the steering wheel fully clockwise, then fully counterclockwise. Wait about 15 seconds before restarting. If the light persists, disconnect your battery's negative terminal for at least 10 minutes to clear temporary glitches. Always ensure the Stabilitrak button isn't pressed. Also, verify your brake fluid level is correct, as low fluid can trigger this warning. Many Stabilitrak issues stem from faulty sensors. Begin by inspecting each of your four-wheel speed sensors, also known as ABS sensors, for any physical damage or loose wiring. These are exposed to road elements and can easily get damaged. Next, check your steering angle sensor, typically located near the steering column. Ensure it's properly connected and calibrated. Issues here can confuse the system, so look for any signs of wear or corrosion on its wiring. The Stabilitrak system heavily relies on your brake components and electrical connections. Carefully inspect all wiring harnesses, particularly those leading to the wheel speed sensors and the electronic brake control module. Look for any broken wires, corrosion, or loose connections. A common culprit is a damaged wire near the rear wheel speed sensors. Also, ensure your brake system is in good working order, as Stabilitrak uses the brakes to maintain stability. If the Stabilitrak light remains on after these checks, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve any stored trouble codes. These codes are invaluable, as they can precisely identify the malfunctioning sensor, module, or system. If you're uncomfortable performing these repairs, or if the codes indicate a complex issue, it's best to consult a certified technician. Addressing these warnings promptly ensures your Sierra's safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.